Salam friends. There are two images in Photoshop. We will discuss about curves adjustment layer and their hidden functions. Let's get started. Intro and music. First we will try on this image. There are highlights in image. If we want to target brighten area, create curves adjustment layer. It will apply on whole image if we play with it. But if we delete this mask from layer, press Ctrl plus Alt plus 2. It will create selection for brighten area. Create a mask and we can see it on curves adjustment layer. Press Alt and click on mask. It will convert into black and white and show brighten area of image. Skin is brighten area. It select brighten area in whole image. Come back to colors. It target brighten area of image if play with curves. It is targeting brighten area of model and background. But if I select mask and invert it, mask is inverted. Now play with curves adjustments. It is targeting dark area but not bright area. We can enhance human image in this way. And darken background. We targeted brighten area. It is targeting darken against brighten. So here is image before and after. I told tips how to correct color grading of image in previous tutorials. Let's do it with curves adjustment. We have not to do it manually. Curves adjustment correct colors grading with clicks. Click on auto is one way. It has done something. But there is no actual colors grading. Click on this icon. And select auto options. A dialog box will pop up. You can see algorithm options. Click on Enhance Monochromatic Contrast. Best option for this image is find dark and light colors. It will detect dark and light colors and correct automatically. Check snap neutral midtones. It will correct midtones too. Now click OK. And now here is image before and after. These two tips I want to share. Look at first image. Before and after. We enhance only brighten area without destruction. And second, we adjust colors grade. This is before and after. If you like video, then like and subscribe. Until next video, Allah Hafiz.